Okay, I know you're probably thinking, Rocket account? What's that? Well, my friend, you're about to find out. Because today, we're diving deep into the world of Rocket, the digital banking solution that's taking Bangladesh by storm. And trust me, it's worth knowing about. So, let's get right to it. How can you open a Rocket account? Opening a Rocket account is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Download the Rocket app. You can find it on Google Play or the App Store. Register your account. This is a simple process that requires your mobile number and NID. Activate your account. You'll receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code to activate your account. And that's it. You're ready to start using Rocket. But wait, there's more. Rocket offers a ton of features that make it a great choice for both individuals and businesses. Here are a few of the highlights. No minimum balance. You don't need to maintain a minimum balance in your account. Low fees. Rocket charges very low fees for most transactions. Fast and secure. Rocket is a secure platform that uses the latest encryption technology to protect your data. Easy to use. The Rocket app is very user-friendly and easy to navigate. So, what are you waiting for? Open a Rocket account today and start enjoying the benefits of digital banking. But before you go, here are a few additional tips. Make sure you have a strong password for your Rocket account. Be careful not to share your account information with anyone. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. Keep your Rocket app up to date with the latest version. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact Rocket customer support. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.